Has the deep panted for the water so much, so long enough, Daddy. You are my desire, and I long to shove it. I give you one more time to say that to him again. Now come on. As the channel come oh, man, tired below. Oh, soul of fire. You alone, everybody. That's it. Son of man, you need him to run this race. Oh. You need him to run this race. Oh. It's not by the muscles. That is walked with God's spiritual muscle. That is the impartation that is coming upon someone right now. Wherever you are, come and just be focused. The Spirit is broad. The Spirit is broad. The Spirit is broad. The Spirit is broad. The Spirit is moving right now, right here. Right now, right here. Right now, right here. It's touching you. It's touching you. Ekando paranda sakata parateka palata. Holy Ghost. Oh.